it's 15-minute.
It's a 15-minute demo when somebody's going to book. Now the ideal process is after they've shown some inclination and they've shown their interest, they will be booking an online call. So first, when you get on call and meet, you'll greet someone. We prefer to keep camera on. Okay, you're talking to human beings. Otherwise, read it. If the person is not putting their camera on and it's comfortable, you can put your camera off as well. It's optional, but I would recommend first time you're meeting someone, let them have a face to who you're talking. If you put camera off also, it's okay. If somebody else is putting their camera on, definitely put the camera on. Okay? It looks very rude otherwise that you're talking to someone and they don't know who they're talking to. He's willing to show you his face. As I said, first step is building that relationship with the person. Okay, so to do that, then you'll begin by asking them generic stuff, hey, I hope you're doing well, I hope everything's all right. Thank you so much for scheduling a call and I look forward to taking you through. Then, okay, so to quickly get you started, I'm going to begin by sharing my screen. You can let me know once it's visible. Very important, okay? Very important. Wait 2 seconds, let me say, yeah, I can see your screen now. Small things. Small things. With practice, you'll get it. You'll understand why it's practical to do these things. Alright? Yeah. Open up rebelcop.in. Keep it ready on another tab. Present the tab. Okay? Present the tab, another window, always better. Alright? Then come in here. So yeah, this is our platform RevelCop, where we help you build and manage your entire digital presence the most easiest possible manner through one place. Alright, what we take care of through our platform is we help you easily create, effortlessly manage, and quickly grow. Make sure you do the scroll because it comes one after the other. It looks cool. Alright, somebody is reading it also, your voiceover comes on top, time it. Alright, so how do we help you easily create is that using our no code drag and drop builder, editing your website becomes as easy as editing a PPT. So if you can basically, if you know how to edit a PPT, you'll be able to run and manage your website without actually having to do any coding or reliance on any tech guy. We also help you effortlessly manage because we come with a CRM tool from where you can monitor and track all of the activities that happen on your website in one place. And then we eventually give you all the tools that you need to grow your business so that you can easily start growing and engaging with your customers all in one platform. So what we do is basically we have encapsulated all of the different tools that you're going to need to kind of get your website live and easily manage and grow it in 2022 and beyond. Alright? All the tools in one place. Now, one more thing somebody will ask you is, okay, now then you get to it. So how do you, so I'll just show you how you can easily get started on your website. So two main ways is you can either build it yourself by using our predefined templates, or you can hire one of our expert Rebel crews who will help set up and kind of get your website live for you on our platform. So now I shall just very quickly take you through a demo of how the website builder works if you have to start building it and managing yourself. So irrespective whether you build it yourself or somebody's managing it, you will get an idea of how the website platform works. Alright. So for now, what I'll do is quickly start off by taking you through a quick demo and tour of our platform. Alright. So you hit the get started. Yeah. Reminds me when you fix that.
Yeah, so we need a demo account, right?
So what do you do on a demo account? You'll be like, whoever the name is, let's say I'm giving a demo to Rudra. So I will write, hi Rudra. So I'll just make a demo account for you and get you to show you how it works and get you started. Rudra, do you have any email of yours that will be alright for me to use?
Yeah, my personal.
Most other people will say that. Yeah, use my ID because they're booking a call with you and they're joining with their email. So you already have access to the email. 95% of the time people will let you use the same email they're joining a call with.
Right.
5% of the time they'll say no. In that case, don't worry. You can just use any email. You can make an account. You can use a test demo or something like that, whatever it is. Put that guy's name and write @demo rebelcop.in. Okay, something like that. Make it up.
There should be an email address like that, right?
No, it doesn't have to be. It's okay.
Okay.
But right now, just for showing them, because there's an example in the demo. But main thing is, if you can, my priority is get their email. Nobody's going to lie about their email. Most of the time, you'll use your personal email or something. So I'll say Rudra. what's your
Actual email, right?
No, your whatever email is fine.
My actual email, rudy, rudy,
Yeah. RUDY
ashar
ASHAR
77
27
at the rate gmail.com.
Cool. Great. So I'll just set as Rudra123 for now. You can easily go and change your password afterwards as well. Yeah. This is all okay. This is something that you'll have to do, alright? Now make sure you get right in one go, not like me. Yeah, if you can get right in one go, that's awesome. I'm basically a robot at this point. When you're doing it, because now what's going to happen is you're going to have your own Rebel Cop ID and you're going to have whatever client's ID you're doing it. So to avoid clashing, you know how you go in incognito browser? Yeah. So do it always make a demo account on an incognito browser when you're doing a demo.
When I start the demo.
Yeah, when you start the demo and you open an incognito with rebelcop.in, share that screen, share that window.
Okay.
Share that incognito window because otherwise it will clash and make a problem on your own account. So to avoid that, that's one more thing. So just make a note of that you'll have to kind of keep this happening on a separate.
Are there some issues like if you use a normal browser?
It'll clash with your account because you're logged in on your own account with your RebelCop ID. Like you have Ryle@rebelcop.in. No, you guys have personal ID. You have Rudra@rebelcop.in. I'm assuming, right? Right now you would have set it up for. So that ID will be affiliated with the actual websites which you will be working. You will be seeing progress on later as they're getting built. So you will not let that ID. Yeah. All right. Okay, whatever. So do this, alright? Select all the traffic lights. So yeah, then you show them. Now basically this is how we get started. We have a whole bunch of templates which are already defined in our thing. So as per the category of business as well as what you want to kind of build with your website. Now most people you would have done priming on. You will have an idea what business they are. You'll have an idea what will be relevant to them. Okay, now let's assume he's a manufacturer or he's a FIEO member because that's initially the first data set you all are going after. So, sir, just for example's sake, let me quickly start off on a demo to give you an idea of how the platform works.
Sorry to interrupt you. Can you take?
Yeah, cool. I understood. All right, what's the? So, we have FIEO templates also. So, say, if most of the guys will fall under the FIEO category. So just say we've got already defined almost 200 plus templates which you can easily start by editing and getting your website live. So you can easily preview them from here, do one preview. Alright. You can show him all of these things. You've got all the pages as well. And you can easily see how this thing formats across different platforms as well. So if this becomes a great starting point for you now if you don't have a website or even if you have a website and you can easily edit and change up because it's a great looking website. So to get started, I will just simply select this, call this whatever, sample or test website. Alright. Now this is our personalizing suite. So depending now, if you do one step better, if you can, right? Always before a call, I do this, wherein I download a guy's logo and key. Yeah. So let's say now if what was the guy you told you yesterday? Rajat, no something. What was it called? Rajesh Exports. All right. See Rajesh Exports. Artwin Exports. Whatever. So. If you find his logo, see actually my entire point is you know how you download a Google logo, right? You can just download this logo. So just say them.
But what if he wants to customize his
whatever?
He already has his logo.
If he has his logo, that's good. If you can't find a logo, no problem. Just say that this is the personalization tree, which will help you customize the template in less than 30 seconds. So you can select any color that you want and easily edit that. Don't waste too much time on this, alright? And easily go through this very quickly. Or if you want, you can upload your logo. I actually have a copy of your logo. Now that only say when you have a copy of that logo. Otherwise, if you don't even have a logo, you can keep a text logo as well. So you can go here, replace it, write the words test. Alright, submit and go to your website. Now, sir, you will find this is the main Rebel Corp platform from where you can easily build and manage your website builder, your entire digital presence in one place. Yeah, we have pop-up prompts videos which are available to help guide you when you open the builder for the first time. Since I'm with you, I'll actually close this so that I can take you through it myself. That's basically what you're doing. So our builder which is there is entirely a drag and drop platform. So everything that you see here, since maybe you're talking to somebody who's not an exporter of silk, he'll be an exporter of, let's say, wigs. You can easily change everything just in a few clicks, like on a text. So you can change this around, write this, and save the change. So say everything is drag and drop, and that's how easy it is to edit the entire website. You can easily,
edited and
yeah, everything is drag and drop. You can move things around up and down as per how you're liking. You can easily, adjust and increase the spacing, as well as change up the images very easily yourself. So then here, select the image. Say to change your image also, it can happen just in a second's time. Select edit image. Don't give the steps, I'm showing you the steps, alright? If I want to change an image from this also, I can just select it and upload it like how we do on a Google Drive. Always have some background image lying somewhere on your website, alright? So I'll have some image lying, alright? Yeah, so let me select this. Make sure you have a nice image. So as soon as I upload the image, as you can see, the image gets uploaded. You can select the image and it's changed up instantly. So making all these changes, editing, from your website, it becomes super easy. Not just with the existing layout, but in case you want to, let's say, add more layouts also, you can simply select the add block button and choose from over 900 blocks for whatever you want to add to your website in just a second. So let's say you want to add a video tomorrow. I would always recommend showing this. You can simply look at all of our pre-designed blocks for videos and have them selected onto your website and have them added just at the click of a button.
right.
So you can see even this color changes, everything, all of that stuff, customization done. The button
Yeah,
customization.
you change it to red, so it's
It is already automatically gets formatted.
Right.
So you can easily then go after adding it and adjust this as well. Alright. Then and you'll also be able to, so you can edit, add more sections, manage all of your different pages from here. You can easily also keep adding across all of our different widgets in case you want to add things like buttons or anything else onto your website right from here itself. Right. So all of this gets done right from here. Now in 2022, your website is not just about having it edit and easily kind of make changes onto your website. It's also about being able to track all of the data that's coming onto your website. So you must have seen in all websites where you have a contact wherein you can actually fill up and get data from your customers. And what you're doing is actually collecting and building your customer database from where you will be easily able to see your websites helping you grow and understand all of your different customers. So when you do that, sir, your customers, you'll easily be able to manage it right from here on your website in the CRM section. Yeah. So every person who fills a form, makes a purchase, books an appointment, all their data is in the CRM tool, which can be accessed from here. So in the CRM, you can see each and every person. You can easily search that data as well, depending on their name, all of the stuff, and create sections. And this is the most important thing for any business today, because this helps you collect all of your data. This is all of your customers visible to you right here in one place, all from your website. You can easily, get once you have this data, then for us, the next step is to help you actually help and utilize and grow this data.
Yeah,
For
so
which,
if I would have filled up that form about us, so contacts
Yeah.
mera naam aa jata. I saw that video.
yeah, exactly. So for example's sake also you can do this wherein you go into the contacts, but make sure when you're going in, your screen share will change because you'll be sharing this window, not this window. Got it?
Okay, so I think we should do it on that window itself, no?
Yeah, but you won't be able to fill it up. You'll have to fill it up separately. That's the editor. You can't fill up stuff on the editor.
So how can I show it to him?
No, whatever.
Client, like
You can hit this, no, open a new tab. When you I'll explain to you, when you screen share something on Google Meet and you switch tab, it'll give you a button here like a slider saying share this tab instead. So you can explain to them when you know that part which we said, you know, your website is actually collecting data and forms. You hit switch over, do the preview, go to this tab, fill up some information. Let's say write Rudra, put in an email, some rudra@gmail.com demo. It doesn't have to be real data. Subject: I want to purchase
The product.
your product, something like that. All right. All right, and you'll write a message as 200 pieces. All right, when you do that, automatically it's submitted on the
When
form.
you did plus, so starting से नया tab खुलता है ना? How did it open in that itself?
There's something called preview. This is on the website. So you hit the preview button, website preview.
Website preview, okay.
So when you hit preview, you'll open it here only. If you want to do it in the preview, that way you don't have to leave the bar also. You can fill it up here. So you'll do one more here. Got it, Rahil. Rahil@gmail.com. Subject: purchase. Now there's like 400 pieces. So that way you don't have to switch tabs. Isn't that better? Like do this. Alright. But I don't think the previews then go say all that data which is filled up by your customers, it's all stored in one place in your CRM tool.
Okay. It doesn't matter if I open up a new
Yeah,
tab,
even if you
same
do,
tab.
if you can do it on the same thing, just fill up. Okay, I realize you can just do this. So just show that. But do make sure you enter the preview. Because without the preview, the contact us won't open. The form won't be able to be.
Just
So
a minute. You open new tab, आपने preview click किया.
yeah,
And
can the
then
new
you
tab.
give
There's
us
no
a
new
dial,
tab. You just simply say now after you've shown them editing, you've shown them थोड़ा ऊपर नीचे करके एक photo change किया, ये थोड़ा एक नया block add किया, explain to them how you can manage all the pages is. Alright, these are the key points. You guys want to take a note of just the points, the order in which I'm saying it. Make a note of that. That is important. First, I started with what I showed you was the first starting from there was picking a theme. Alright, picking a theme, I did a select a color. So first start was picking a theme and showing them. Second was I did the entire thing of changing the color and customizing that theme. Alright, after I customized it, this opened. Right. Just retracing the steps. This opened. Then what I did was I changed the text here. Okay, I did a first thing I did was a text change. Then I did a drag and drop change. I brought something upar niche. I moved it around. I did all of that. All right. And whatever I did, I made sure I hit the save button.
Just a minute. Drag and drop के बाद.
After I showed the drag and drop, I'll do a little bit of adjusting also. I'll go then second after that I'll demo is an image. I'll replace an image and show them instantly. When you show them the image takes a second to change, you have to show that it takes only a second to change. Alright, so change an image. Then after you change the image, you can again adjust the image. Alright? थोड़ा ऊपर नीचे किया चलेगा. It's a little off center, you're not designing, you're demoing it. Alright? Then you're gonna add a new block. Add a new block, all the buttons have add a block. Where you're gonna add which block, you're gonna add a video.
Depends. Yeah.
I would recommend go for videos, simple, straightforward. Everything else is all designer blocks. And how many blocks are here that you have to mention? The key numbers are important. Or what number? Then 900 plus blocks. There's 200 plus templates. In the first one when you're showing the templates. Alright? And never get the numbers wrong.
900 blocks.
900 plus ready to use blocks, which you can just select and start editing anywhere on your website. Alright? After you showed
And
you
how many templates you said?
in 250 plus templates. That was here when you selected the template. In the first step only.
Before picking a theme, no?
In picking a theme template is the same.
कितना?
250. You will be getting an audio version of this, so don't worry. 250 plus templates. Don't worry, all are getting this entire thing on video recording, which I'm going to give to you. So don't, like, if things go off and on, you all will revise and get it.
I got it, bro. Like after the video thing.
Alright, then what you did was you did the adjusting, you did the form. Then what you do is you do a preview save. But now editing is not the only thing that you're looking out for. They're impressed. At this moment, I'm telling you, people will be like, wow, you showed them. This to a lot of people was a challenge. You will see a wow factor, alright? And you will tell them, now this is not enough in 2020 2022 now. Your website is doing so much more for you, which is that it helps you start collecting information on your customers. You do a preview, you go in a contact section. You see websites nowadays, all of them you must have seen have a have a section from where you're collecting data. Fill up dummy data, do that as step number 2. So after you showcase the video and you add a new blog, you'll be showcasing the CRM. So the first step in showcasing a CRM is filling a form on the preview.
Preview about us. Why preview again?
You will preview it and then fill it up. Now you can't fill it. If you click on contact us here, can you fill a form? You can't. It's an editor here.
Okay.
That is why you can't. It's like if I show you, I screen share a PPT, can I edit it? No, if I slideshow a PPT, I can't edit it, right? I can only edit it when I'm opening it on the PPT software. So same thing.
So click on preview and
preview is your slideshow. So you're going to slideshow it. You're going to go into contacts and you're going to fill it up. Alright, fill up some dummy information. Then say all of the data that is taken from your website when somebody shops or fills up everything, all of that is stored in the CRM tool. In the contact section, in the CRM tool. Right here on your builder. You don't have to integrate it separately, you don't have to set it up. Just at a click of one button, you'll be able to see everybody who's interacted with your website. Now this is important. Now pay attention for this one.
yes.
Alright, is that
Yes.
you can easily filter this information, tag it, you can export and import this data, alright, all of this stuff, as well as go into each user and get a profile as well about that user.
About that details. All
Yeah, so that's properties, as well as track all of the different forms and interactions with the user on the website. So this is how you see the form. In the
what he has ordered and what will come in marketing details.
Is what emails and all. Don't get into too much. If we're demoing it has to be 15 minutes. We're going over 15 minutes and that's not good. Okay. So just say every interaction with your website is stored here. Like you're demoing, he's not got any marketing, right? So why do you want to show him? अभी तक email नहीं भेजा इसको. That's what it is. If you must know. But अभी तक भेजा नहीं है उसमें focus ही मत करो. He'll not ask you. He'll ask. You're right now talking. Everyone is inquisitive. They're learning. They're paying attention. So you get a profile on each. Make sure you show this also. Make sure you show the form that's been submitted. So they can see that 400 piece जो आपने लिखा था preview में, it's here. All right. We go back to contacts. Alright, say now all of this data that you've been collecting, all that stuff is going to be the core on which you're going to grow your business, because you can actually for the first time utilize and keep this information. And how do we help you do that? Is that all of this data that's here, to complete the cycle, we have a whole emails and automation tool from where you can start engaging and using this data. And how that works is, you click on the emails and automation tool, and you can easily start blasting email campaigns as well as set automations on your website from here itself. So how it works is, now you come straight to email templates. We have again over hundreds of predefined templates for emails from which you can easily start editing and engaging with your customers. So in case you're launching a new product, you're having a sale, you're running an offer, you can easily communicate and talk to your customers right from here. Alright, the same email is again like from the website editor, is very simple to edit. It can be viewed on different and automatically formats. And once you've edited a template, you can also save it as your own template so that you can just change up the messaging every time and just easily, quickly start sending messages out to your customers. Alright, so emails and automations gets covered only this much. Alright, additionally to this, in case you want to look to start selling your product, selling products and earning from a website, we have a whole store module, alright, from where you can easily actually start selling your products online as well, alright. And the entire store is, now this one you'll have to pay attention to. For store, we take care of the 4 main important aspects of your store, which will help you create your products, connect your payment processors, add your store details, and include your shipping methods if you're doing
shipping methods is, I don't think it's shipping methods मतलब क्या?
मतलब वो
You pay attention, watch. You're watching it first time, no? I'll go over it. You'll come to know. Alright? How about that? Wait for 2 minutes, you'll get the surprise, you'll understand how it works. Alright? So if you want to create a product, it's very easy to do so. So you can simply go to products, alright, you'll show them like this, and you can add and sell any kind of product you want. A physical product like clothes or shoes, digital products like audiobooks or e-files, alright? No, not courses. So don't get into courses on this one. Just stick to basic audio files, okay? Ebooks, audio files. I'll explain to you why not courses. Because courses is this thing actually. Services like in case you're a lawyer or a consultant, alright? And memberships, wherein you're taking recurring payments like AMCs, subscriptions, all of these kind of things. You can easily now do one demo product, easily add a product. It's very simple to do so. By adding a name, you can add an image here. You don't have to fill this up also, okay? Unless it's an e-commerce client and they said they're specifically asking for e-commerce. Alright, you will know that by doing the pyramid. You will come to know whether the guy, if he's an exporter, he's not going to sell online. Very few exporters will be looking to do e-commerce. If he asks you, oh, I can sell this also, then you demo e-commerce properly. In which case, yeah, add image. You can easily set your price. You can track your inventory from here. You can add your variations. You can tag customers who make the purchase this item, as well as store all of the information. Quickly go over it. Back to the next thing because there's 4 more things, right? Then the next step is the most important one is we easily help you connect your payment processors of your choice. Alright, now this is important. Alright, you can easily add any payment gateway in just a click of a button. We've tied up with some of the best global payment gateways available like Stripe and FIEO and PayPal. Alright, so it's very easy to just by adding the key in a second enable your payments and start coming from here. We currently do not support UPI or GPay. We're working integrating towards getting that incorporated shortly. Alright. So your entire e-commerce payments you have done this thing. Then alright, you come to how you can easily start. So from here you'll be easily able to start collecting payments, start selling your products, as well as track all of your orders, manage them from one place. So once you start tracking your orders, you'll easily be able to engage with your customers who make a purchase by having actions on these orders. Actions like when your order is shipped, you can easily mark that shipping to a customer. Alright, you can easily mention when the order has been shipped, when the order has been dispatched, when the payment has been received. You can easily set engagements with customers right from here. So you can do all of that stuff right from your itself. Alright. Then I'll show you what else you have to mention is that what you're saying is that shipping thing, right?
Yeah.
So in case you're selling shipping, you can easily set up your own physical products. You can set up your own shipping rules, wherein if you want people to shop over, let's say 1200 rupees and then be eligible for shipping, if they shop below 1200, you want to charge them 40 rupees. You can set a rule and create your own
shipping method, like shipping price.
Yeah.
Okay.
Shipping method. Shipping method is shipping rules basically. Like, have you seen when you shop in a store and it says shop over 1200 and get free shipping?
Okay. Yeah.
So you can set that own rule, and that can be set in 2 parts as per weight range, weight range and price range as well. So depending on what you want to do.
Weight range, like example, if you buy more than this many pieces.
अगर मेरे पास आप shipping वाला vendor भी आपसे बोलता है कि आप 1 kg आप 500 ग्राम का shipping करो, मैं free में कर दूँ.
10 किलो के ऊपर करेगा तो 500 रुपए एक्स्ट्रा लगा होगा.
हाँ.
वैसा.
हाँ, वो सब terms हैं.
हाँ, if you shop for like now 30 items, you'll need to charge shipping for 30 items.
Yeah.
So all those things you can set right from the system itself. Alright. Additionally, you can also set your own tax rules, add your own taxations like GST, all of this.
Put service tax at
whatever they put, you can add your own taxes.
Yeah,
you can set your own rules. You have nothing. You can easily then edit the store as well, edit and layout of the pages, as layout and styling for your entire e-commerce, which is automatically done for all the products that you will be listing. Alright.
Yes.
Don't get into detail by hitting sign now. That's good enough right now to show them that this is possible. Alright. Additionally, from this, these are the 4 main core things you're going to highlight. Now, in case there's somebody who comes in, and is looking to use, we also have an entire appointment booking system.
Yes.
Alright, from where you can easily start accepting appointments through your website, So you can create the booking events, set the schedule, add your operators. For this, never demo the backend. The backend is very boring. Never show. So say, even we at Rebel Corp use our online booking system. The same way this guy booked up, like you have booked a call for.
Never use the backend, matlab?
Never show this part. To say, you can say that you can easily book appointments, but don't start creating an appointment. This all is very long and boring.
Yeah, even he would lose interest.
He'll lose interest. So what I would recommend is you can easily start doing bookings from your create your events, add your set your schedule, add your operators, set your services. We at Rebel Corp to get to this point fast. We at Rebel Corp to use an appointment booking system from where you can book an online sales call from us, like how you've done so right now.
Yes.
Yeah, so you can show him this, that you'll be easily able to set your operators, select the operator, set a date, select a time slot, fill in all of the information you want before the call. This can be used to conduct online meetings as well as offline things for maybe a site visit or an office meeting that you want to schedule. It can easily be set up on your website.
That would be there, right?
Yeah, that would be there. So if you now are a restaurant, you can use it for taking appointment bookings for your restaurant also. It's quite universally applicable. But most of I'm right now not going to confuse you. You're talking to exporters. They might not end up using it, but they don't mind using this because they're selling all over the world.
Yeah.
And they can get a call booked from a client who's sitting in, let's say, Sweden, with the office, to do a Google Meet right from off their website, all in one place. All right.
Yep.
All right. Now, after we've done this demo, now the next thing you're going to ask somebody is, before you lose them, now I'm sure you must be wondering how much does this cost? Address that after you've done this. So this main demo of the thing is done. All right. You've done all the different features which are there. You also get access to an academy. Now address before you close the demo. Actually, before you get into pricing, also address the last part. You will also get access to a whole academy from where you can see all of the different video resources. Don't open it also if you want. Just show an academy from where you can access a whole set of video resources for free, from where you can learn and actually see how you can effectively run your website. We also provide chat support from where you can chat with us anytime you're facing any difficulties. All right. In case you're getting stuck anywhere, you can easily get in touch with our tech team and they will help you to resolve your issues. As well as we have access to a whole help center from where, do you see where the help center was? Help center will have on the builder help here. When you open the store also, there'll be this question mark help icon. It won't say help, but it'll just say the red color question mark. So you can click on that, and in case you're facing any difficulty at any time, you can easily search for a problem from here, right domain, wherever you're getting stuck with, and actually solve your doubts from here itself.
Okay, write your domain name and...
No, this is an example I'm giving you.
What will he search for?
You will search domain as well for in front of the client, okay? On the help center. You can search for anything, but I would recommend showing this in the example also keep it standard. I do not change my examples one bit. When I showed you that I had a video block is because I had it every time.
Yes.
When I use the help center, I search for domain because it's there is the first thing.
Yeah.
It's definitely going to look good. And you're scripting this call, so script it, so make sure that it works and everything looking flawless, right? So these are the key things. Make sure that on the help center you use domain. You want to write that down. Help center you're going to demo by typing the words domain. Like when you're adding a block also, you're going to add a video block. You're not going to add any other block. If he asks you, oh, what if I want to, you can show that later, but SOP, keep it safe. For everyone, to just know this much is good enough. So you address their doubts also now afterwards. In case you get stuck, you might have any difficulties, you can always access 3 things: Academy, chat support, and help center. Now I'm sure you must be wondering how much would this cost. Switch tab, come to the pricing page. All right. So say I'm just going to take you through our pricing page and show you all of our different plans. All right. Now this is important. This is the most crucial part after being demo, because people will be hooked on the plan and they will have to be closed. Their plan will need to be decided and then be done. Main question you're going to ask somebody is, are you looking to... So the way our plans work, sir, is that we are divide them on 2 bases. Whether you're trying to have a presence for yourself or look at trying to getting yourself an online store. If you want to start selling online. If you're looking for a presence, we have plans like our Mini, which is a basic 2-page website which comes with a website, CRM and email marketing tool, as well as the hosting, from where you can start with a 2-page website with 2 GB bandwidth, all right, where your website can handle like 2,000 visitors a month. And we also have plans wherein you can, grow all the way up to 120 GB in bandwidth, where your website will be able to handle 120,000 visitors every month. And all the tools. So if you want a basic website for your identity, you can look at a Mini or a business depending on the amount of pages if you want. In case you're looking to sell online, we have 3 e-commerce plans depending on the number of products you wish to sell. So starting with our Business Plus plan, from where you can start selling up to 25 products. Here you can sell up to 100 products. And on the Growth Max, you'll be able to sell
There'd be no limit set.
Unlimited products. Yeah. So we basically have mapped your journey from where you can start with a basic 2-page website and grow all the way to 120 GB bandwidth, from where your business can start at least by handling 2,000 visitors 1 month through your website, and grow all the way to having 1,20,000 visitors every month. Appointment booking system is available Business Plus onwards. So in case somebody wants to use it also, it's available here. Alright. The plans, the plans are more or less fixed. Alright, somebody says, "Arey, मेरे को तो actually appointment booking चाहिए, पर मेरा 2 page में काम होगा." No, sir, sorry, unfortunately that would not be possible. We'll only be able to provide a appointment booking system in our business plans. Alright. Then we look at hiring a rebel. Alright. So also in case, so you know, you wish, he'll say, okay, पर मेरे को actually build करना है, और अगर आप build करवा सकते हो ना, वो क्या रहेगा? So say for each plan, no, we also have a fixed rebel crew rate. Alright. From where you can easily hire one of our expert rebel crews to help build the website for you and design the template. Alright. 1 second now.
No, I didn't.
Yeah. No, so you can easily pick a plan based on the plan, hire a crew for 14 days. This is an Uber-like service to help your website build. So what our Rebel crew does is we help design the template for you based on the plan you choose. And in a time span of almost 14 days, our Rebel crew will help design that website for you.
And your website will be ready to go.
Yeah. In this, we do not take care of, I will inform you, sir, that we do not help out with the graphics or the copy or the pictures. The crew is simply there to help design the template for you as per your liking. So based on a website that you like, he will help design the template on our platform, take your pictures, take your content, upload it, and hand it back over to you so that your company can easily run and manage this all by themselves.
Yes.
Another thing, very clear. It does. If he asks, will you do my photos also? No.
Photos and graphics
we do not. Copy we do not include. But you will, we will take your stuff and hand it back to you so that you can easily run and show. You showed him how easy it was to change a picture, right?
Yes.
So eventually we will help set up, put all of your things, design it, do all of these things, make the template ready as for a website that you want, and design on our platform and get ready. Alright. So after the end of this call, you need to make sure that now this is where the closing comes. So say, sir, if you would like to get started, you would have to help them identify that plan then and there on the call. Yes. Somebody will have to be assigned. At that point you're getting on call, he shouldn't come back again and not be decided which plan am I supposed to take. You say this is a plan, and now this is the cost of the plan when it's billed yearly for the when you pay up for the entire year. This is the price you will pay, $799 a month, which is 9,588. So whichever plan it is, now the main thing is you'll have Ryan, you have all the checkout pages with you. So each one has a checkout page also. He'll share the links with you. So everything has a checkout page. You can tell them also that you have a choice wherein you can pay for the entire thing at one go, all right, and for the entire year, and it'll save you the cost by 20%, almost giving you 3 months for free for the entire year if you pay. Otherwise, it's up to you also. You can give them that flexibility. See, what nobody likes to be told is what to buy. So say if you want, you can also pick it up monthly. Be very friendly about this. Alright, this is the most important thing, to make them feel comfortable about the price. So say if you want to pay month on month, it'll become $999, but eventually you can easily upgrade and downgrade the plan as per your choice. Okay,
so you can make the shift according to
you can make the shift according to. So in case you want to maybe start a store and then start selling 2 months later, you can easily upgrade. If you want to start store and then shut the store, you can go and downgrade again. Yes. So and you can pay as and when you like, about you can pay month on month, or you can pay for the whole year also. The entire choice is up to the customer. But what is important that you help them make sure that they've picked their plan. Like in my mind, by default, before I get on a call, I know whether this guy is going to be a mini or a business. Most of the guys you'll talk to, they're looking to get a business. If they're saying, ye 2699 into 12, yani 32,000 hua, ye to bahut mehenga hua. So sir, why don't you start off with the mini, and get your website live, and our team will help build it for you.
मेरा 2 पेज में नहीं होगा, मेरे को और पेजेस लगेंगे तो
you can always easily upgrade with the 2 pages on the mini. So there is no cap on how long the page can be. We can in fact incorporate. If you're interested in seeing the mini, why don't I show you some of our samples mini websites which have been built on our platform. You have a sample mini with you to go? You can go back to templates otherwise. Alright, from our customers. Why not share some of the customers who've been using a mini website and have been able to do some phenomenal things on it. So this is where he'll give you the link for the Powered by Rebel Corp. Alright. And here he'll give you the names of which ones are mini. So you can show them some of these customers of us who your OCI has a
ये
mini.
बताया राहुल.
हाँ. So you can show them this also. Show them OCI. Say this guy runs a mini website. And he does all of the servicing right from here. So you can see, sir, that all of that stuff is on 2 pages. It's about convincing them on the product and showing them somebody else who's been using it is all through here.
It's 2 pages, but all his details.
All his details are here. It all fits in 2 pages. He has the form also, which he's using. So that's the idea. That you'll get all of this stuff done.
Yes. So just a minute. Form is there in mini. Only appointment system is there in 2699 wala, no?
No appointment. So I'll tell you what. Here is the main thing. I'll start from here. Now you demoed everything. मिनी वाले के पास क्या होगा? If I go back to builder, उसको ये site editor मिलेगा, उसको 2 पेज मिलेगा, उसको CRM भी मिलेगा, उसको email marketing भी मिलेगा. He won't get appointment booking and store. Got it?
Yes. And yeah.
He'll get email marketing also.
एक मिनट. OCI में you showed some. Just click on OCI now.
You-
Registration form का वो है वो.
Contact form, second page. दो
Okay.
पेज
So this
मिलता है.
is the
एक
second
पेज
page.
में वो सारा इन्फॉर्मेशन डालेगा, दूसरे पेज पे कॉन्टैक्ट फॉर्म डालेगा, 2 पेज का वेबसाइट हो गया उसका.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
तुम जितने ही फॉर्म यूज कर सकते हो ये वेबसाइट.
You can use as many forms, you can use as many blocks, you can make it as long. You could have made this like 3 times the length also.
But in 2 pages. Okay. Okay.
Only in 2 pages.
Got it.
Yeah. Then, so you can give examples of this one. Who's the other? What's Sagar's website called? Global. Yeah. See, there's also a 2-page website. Again, this is put so much information, everything all over 2 pages. How long it is. Yeah, and the main thing is, he's got a contact us form that he's ready to accept. He's given his address, he's given his information, and he can also send emails back to his customers.
Yes. मैं ask you something.
Yeah.
Like contact us में अगर detail मिल जाएंगे तो what is different in appointment fixing? Appointment fixing में date and वो सब.
Yeah, वो नहीं आएगा.
नहीं. Contact us normal form and appointment fixing में date और वो सब आएगा. But I'm not getting confused in this thing. I shouldn't be asking, but कैसे बोल रहा हूँ मैं कि अगर उसके फॉर्म में उसको कस्टमर का डेटा मिल रहा है बरोबर तो
हाँ.
why would he go for appointment?
Well, appointment booking gets you a schedule and all. See, I'll show you. Let me explain to you. When we use the appointment booking, no, I'll show you how it looks on an actual complete one. How is it different also? Right now here there's no data, so you can't assume what is there. Come back here.
Because see, a business owner, that's what I think. उसको फॉर्म मिल गया, डेटा मिल गया अपने कस्टमर को, तो इज मोर देन हैप्पी. उसको अपॉइंटमेंट का क्या वो है?
अपॉइंटमेंट का आपको भी अभी बैठ के कॉल स्केड्यूल करना होता तो कितना मेहनत लगता. उसका डेटा मिल गया, आपको बैठ के फोन करना पड़ता, ईमेल करना. नाउ आई हैव सेव्ड यू द टाइम बाय डूइंग इट.
तो ये पर्टिकुलर टाइम में कस्टमर कैन बुक एन
appointment with you directly. So whether it's at your office, whether it's online. See, when I'll show you this thing. The schedule when it comes, no. You get to do a lot more things. I didn't show you the back end of it, but basically it's a little more complicated than that. You put the event, you can put all the description of the event, all the stuff. See, now if tomorrow somebody also wants to book a call with us or somebody, right? Doing the demo, doing anything, you can easily. Now, if Rahel has to take and you collect the information also, but the more important thing is actionable information that you've got a time. If I am able to get all this, you don't get on the phone. You don't get date selecting 2 महीने बाद next week करना है.
फ्यूचर डेटा इज ओके.
And the time slots, you know. As for now, the thing is, if I book the slot for Rahel right now at 3, next person will come. He'll not see
3 बजे slot नहीं है, already booked हो गया 3 बजे का slot.
It's clarity on both.
It's clarity on everything, and it doesn't. You don't have to sit and see that. अरे 3 बजे आपको 2 आदमी 3 बजे बोलेंगे let's meet. You send him the link. You will quietly see you're not available by 3. He'll book at 4.
And the other place the client एक client wait करके
Yeah. So better than that is that he can see your slot and your calendar accordingly, and this gets done. This again, then it gets linked to Google Calendar, it gets linked to all the stuff, so it's blocked even in your calendar.
Okay, got it.
Once you start using the appointment booking system, no, for doing demo,
रिमाइंडर वगैरह आएगा
हाँ वो
उसको भी client को भी जाएगा reminder that you booked a call. Here's the link for it. If it's an offline one, also it'll say you booked a dinner reservation at Great Delhi.
Notification before 15 minutes or email before 1 hour. हाँ.
All of that will come. It'll come 1 day before if he's booked. It'll come 1 hour before also. It'll come 15 minutes before also.
Got it.
Alright. So that's the appointment booking system basically. Alright. I think this covered most of the things on the builder. You would have watched thousands of videos. This is what you have to show day in and day out to everyone.
Okay.
This is it.
Okay. Like gradually we'll keep trimming and
See, and I'll tell you what, be ready for some additional questions. People will have, saying, मेरा domain name आप कैसे करोगे? Very simple. Say,
you
so,
can purchase it from our domain.
no. If you have an existing domain, we charge a small fee of 500 rupees to port your old domain to this new website, which is a domain migration fee. Additionally, you can also if in case you don't have you've not purchased your domain, you can buy it from our store. If he says I have a domain, how will I move it? Say there's a small fee, we can help you. Otherwise, right from here, you can add it to your DNS, which most people won't know. I'm telling you, you're talking to dumb
What
business
is
owner.
DNS?
Exactly. Don't want to find out. I don't want to tell you. You tell him it's $500. You can get a move for you. Okay. But if somebody is very technical and is wanting to know now, then that's different. But most of the time, you just tell them it's $500. We'll move it for you. Cool. Then be ready for, this RC which is up here, right? When you click on it, it'll take you to the dashboard. So once in a while, if somebody is asking question about how do I get any analytics, do I get any data additional to this for every person that will say no, we do not for the people now who don't fill up a form, unka data kaise aayega, koi puchega aapko. So you say we don't track that data, but from the analytics you'll be able to see how many people come to your website every hour and daily also, as well as set it for the entire month, so you can track amount of people who visited your website, see which are most popular pages, where are your customers coming from, which devices they're using, the browser they're coming from. Don't go too much in detail, as well as your storage and bandwidth as per your plan.
ऊपर से yes, got it.
ऊपर से admins भी आप कर सकते हो, depending.
Up to 2 admins वो limit है.
हाँ वो limit है, but where's admins is here कि आप admin, and not only that, within admins also you can set rights. So say अगर आपके team में you've got more people, right? You've got sales people and all. Your sales people will not need to. You can give them restricted access also only to the CRM and messages, because you don't want the sales people to be editing your website. You want them to see the inquiries which are coming. So you can, according to that, set restrictions within your website for the admins as well, and do it all from here.
जो मेन प्रोजेक्ट और होता है उसको सारा दे देंगे एक्सेस
हाँ मेन जो CEO वीओ जो टॉप पोस्ट पे वो
जो मेन प्रोजेक्ट ओनर बनना चाहता है ना वो बोलेगा इसको प्रोजेक्ट ओनर बना दो उसको सारा एक्सेस दे देंगे
person who is handling the whole
Yeah, so anybody, and even within your team, you can have restricted accesses for all the people.
But IT people won't be seeing the sales वालों को IT people को काम
No, that's what I'm saying. Sales people will only see inquiries, so that they can actually act on the inquiry. So for them, what will happen is all the remaining things will go away. They'll only see contacts.
जितना लिमिटेशन सेट करोगे उतना हम लोग देख सकेंगे जितना लोग नहीं करोगे उतना लोग नहीं देख सकेंगे सीधा
This covers the whole thing. Oh wait, when I was showing you the editing, no. One more thing to show. Go on point number here. Next to the editing, make sure that you show the editors also, that you can easily, design and make changes on your mobile view, design a whole different experience for mobile, for tablet also, and this. See, most of these guys, you don't have to sell too much on editing. I'll tell you why.
right.
Just show, I'll tell you what, honestly, show them the drag and drop, show them changing a text, show them an image. वो लोग का काम उतना ही रहता है. वो eventually आदमी hire करेगा बनाने के लिए. वो अपने कंपनी से किसी को नहीं भेजे, वो बोलेगा मैं 3,000 रुपए देना.
हाँ कि मेरे को इतना मगजमारी नहीं करना है, मैं 3,000 भर दूँगा.
Where they'll hire a person
No, where they'll sit and do all this for them, teaching them designing is not important. What's important is that you show them once their website, see, this is now if you pretend the ready website. Tomorrow, sir, you have to change this image, you've shown them how to do that from the template. Yes. Whether you build it or somebody else will build it for you, you will be able to change it in a second. Alright? I think this should cover the entire, I think this is as much that goes on a sales. Alright?